Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Happy Thursday. Hope you guys have been having a fantastic week. Thank you for landing on this video, guys. Thank you for clicking on it. Obviously, you want to know more about one of the opportunities that I have partnered myself with called Cash Building Systems Unlimited. I've been with this program for 2 years, going on almost 3 years now. And guys, guess what? It's still paying me in the background. Still going strong. Whether or not I make videos or not, I got a lot of content out there, guys, that is still driving traffic to my sales funnel. What we're looking at right now every single day. And that's what I want to talk about, guys. I want to talk about something that you could partner yourself with for the rest of 2025. If you're still looking, if you still have not found that business opportunity that works for you, take a look at Cash Building Systems Unlimited. What I love about this program right here, guys, it's a one-time pay program, and we'll look at the payment sheet. One-time pay program, where you pay one time, but you can constantly still get paid over and over again as your team continues to duplicate. All right, so that's the power of this program, is duplication. Most programs, guys, if you can build a solid team to where they are duplicating, then you're going to start seeing success in your business opportunity. All right, so as you can see, guys, in the background, you see I'm an average person. I'm a real person. I don't hide behind my website. Have my number and my information below the video to where you can contact me. Just had a brand new baby. I'm excited about it. You know, clothes on the chair. We know the process of folding clothes. And as you can see, guys, I'm taking time out of my time with my family to get them together and make this video to talk to you about an opportunity that you can partner yourself with for 2025. What is Cash Building Systems Unlimited? Cash Building Systems Unlimited, guys, is a program that JD Marketing created to help average people that were struggling to get their finances where they needed to be. Okay, you have the option, guys. You have the option to earn 25, as you can see, 25 to all the way up to 3,500 mailing out our company postcards. All right, so this is what the company postcards look like right there, as you can see on the camera. Okay, this postcard right here does all the selling and telling for me. All right, now we put a pill and stick label on there, put a stamp on there, and we mail it out, and it does all the selling and telling for us. Gives them all the information about the business opportunity. Has a number on it that they can call to get more information. And guess what? They're not calling you. They're calling the business owner, who will explain the business opportunity to them, get their kit out into the mail to them, and get them rocking and rolling. The great part is, guys, is that not only do I use the postcards, but what we're looking at right now, guys, I use an online system, okay? An online system that also does all the selling and telling for me. So whether I'm hanging out, if I'm at the beach, or if I'm having a good time, you know, hanging out with my family and my kids, you know, I'm still constantly getting leads and sales to my business opportunity, because my online system is doing all the marketing for me. Okay, and that's something that you probably want to look into once you start building your program, is getting a system that can start helping you to build your program. Now, I've been a part of this program 2 years, going on almost 3 years, and it is still paying me constantly, every week, every month, every day that somebody is joining the program. And I just love getting out there, you know, sharing the opportunity and just helping somebody else out and helping them to see the potential that this company does have. What you're looking at right now, guys, it does have a video on here that will do all the selling and telling for you, to where you don't have to explain the business opportunity. If you're not good at talking or good at sales, don't worry about it, okay? Your system will do all the selling and telling for you. Your postcards will do all the selling and telling for you. These are your little advertising agents, okay? Once you get them off in the mailbox, they will do all the selling and telling for you. And once somebody's ready to sign up, guess what? You get compensated, and JD Marketing will mail you a check in the mail. All right, as you can see, guys, is the system right here that I've been using for about a year now. It does all the selling and telling for me, introduces the business to the prospect. And as you can see right here, guys, this is the phase 2 compensation plan. We have 2 phases that you can come in on, phase 1 and phase 2. Okay, phase 1 is where you earn $25 per referral that you bring into the opportunity. Phase 2 is right here, what we're looking at. Phase 2 compensation plan. This is where you able to make big commission, guys. And do I receive big commissions in the mailbox? Absolutely. And it's amazing, guys. So if you're looking for a way to offset your gas, groceries, you know, everything is going up in the economy. So you want something that can help you to offset those type of bills and still have extra left over to help you and your family out the way that the economy is. You know, everything is going up, but our money is not paying. But if you're looking at phase number 2, compensation plan, to where you can earn big commission coming in at phase 2. So I came in at both levels, guys. When I joined the first level and I joined the second level, okay? Came in at level 3 and got bumped up to level 4, okay? So I'm able to earn big commissions. My goal is to get to level 8, so I can earn all the way up to $3,500 every time somebody comes in at level 8 and pay the $5,000. All right, big time commissions right there. And as you can see, if you got questions, there's a number that they can call. And that's the number to JD Marketing, guys. He does all the selling and telling for you. And as you can see, my picture is here. This is my ID number. So if you do come through the funnel and you want to check it out, guys, just make sure that you remember this number. This is how I'm able to get compensated. This is how you're able going to get compensated once you join the business. JD Marketing will give you a ID number that you will also come in, plug into the system that you will get compensated. The person will also click on this video, that link. It will take them to the main page of JD Cash Building Systems Unlimited. And once they go through it, they're going to go all the way down. They're going to click here to become a member. Okay, once they click here, it's going to take them to the sign up page. This is the fastest way to sign up with Cash Building Systems Unlimited. And as you can see right here, guys, in that spot right there, that's where you want to put that number 4464, and that lets him know that I referred you to the business opportunity. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, guys, if you're ready to take your income to the next level, go ahead and follow that link below, and I'll see you on the next video. Have a good night. Peace.